Hello and welcome back to the channel again. The news is flying today and I have a couple more things to bring you, so I figured I would get it up now before I get too tired and take a nap. So, issue number 1 at hand. John Pryor has filed a motion with the court, just waiving their right to the preliminary hearing within 14 days. I, Chad Guy Daybell, the above-named defendant, hereby waive my statutory right to having my preliminary hearing heard within 14 days of the initial appearance in the above entitled proceeding. Blah, 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 blah. So, that it's very standard, procedural, nothing exciting to see here, folks. I'm still doubting that hearing is going to take place on the 1st because of other stuff going on, but we'll see. Now, the good stuff. Oh, man. Brandon Boudreaux and Melanie Boudreaux. Now, if you watched my video earlier this morning, I said I wasn't sure if the custody issue with Brandon and Melanie had been resolved. I guess it hasn't, because we got some more information. Let me find these documents and I will bring them to you. All right, new papers were filed in the custody case between Brandon Boudreaux and Melanie Boudreaux, who is now Melani Pawlowski. All right, basically, this is a list of witnesses and exhibits that Brandon is going to present in court for his side, trying to get custody of the children. And there's some interesting stuff in here, right? All the documents are going to be up on your screen. First, we're going to see he's going to introduce some evidence, some text messages between Melanie regarding her move to Boise, messages between Brandon and Chase Bank, photo of Brandon's car. I'm going to assume that that is the car that Brandon was shot at that has the bullet hole in it, which we all assume that Alex was the shooter in that case. So that could be interesting. He's going to introduce the marriage certificate for Melanie and Ian. Okay. Information for defendant Ian Pawlowski's criminal charges. I didn't know about that. That's going to be fun. Life insurance information, texts regarding payments for life insurance policy, call logs, more text messages, screenshots of text sent from mother's husband to his ex-wife. Huh. All right, so that means text sent from Ian to Ian's ex-wife? Some more emails between Natalie Pawlowski to Mark Bell regarding her ex-husband's marriage and lifestyle with Melanie. Some audio call recordings. An audio recording of call with the ex-wife of mother's new husband regarding the shooting. Huh, that ought to be interesting. I keep saying that, but this is going to be really interesting. All right, payment history to advanced mediation. All right, surveillance images. So somebody was surveilling someone. Police department incident report. Okay. Case number, blah, blah, blah. Information regarding mother's new husband. Domestic violence assessment dated June 4th, 2019 for Ian Pawlowski. Oh, boy. They're also going to be introducing the East Idaho News article, the enhanced video showing who visited the storage unit. You may be saying, why are we talking about their custody hearing? What does it have to do with this case? Obviously, it has a whole lot to do with this case. So, as you can see from the continuing papers, there's a lot that Brandon is going to be introducing here. It's going to be curious to me what the court is going to do with this, because it sounds like, from some of the things I'm seeing here, that this could impact the criminal cases going forward. They may have to either seal this or have closed hearings or something. Now, this hearing is scheduled for July 1st, the same day that Chad's preliminary hearing is scheduled for. So, wow. My goodness. All right, so what else is on this page? Is anything interesting? East Idaho News stuff, motion to quash deposition subpoena that was filed on May 19th, probable cause affidavits for case number whatever. I would like to look up that case. Criminal complaint case for case number CR 33200302. Let's find out what that case is and get that probable cause affidavit. What could that be about? A statement from Brock Boudreaux regarding June 28th. No idea what that is either. I really hope that this is a public hearing, although I don't think it's going to be. They don't usually televise custody cases. Steve Cope filings for Washington case number. Steve Cope, Melanie's maiden name is Cope. Who is Steve? I'm not sure. We can look that up. But filings for a Washington case number. Interesting. If you guys know of a way to actually look up these case numbers to get some information, let me know, because right now, that'd be kind of cool. Also, right here, a Fox 10 email regarding Jason Mao. Jason Mao is a very interesting character, And we're going to have to talk about him because his name has popped up in my screen about 25 times today. So for some reason, things are pointing me towards him. So a Fox 10 email regarding Jason Mao. Who did Fox 10 email? Did they email Brandon? Why would he be talking to Fox 10 News about Jason Mao? Very interesting. And number 48, responses from the Daybell children. Responses from Chad's kids? Oh. So, as you can see here, this is just an evidentiary filing. So here, this is what we're going to present, okay? But this is some pretty explosive stuff, right? Lots of text messages and all these things. Let's get into the witnesses. Brandon, obviously. Melani Pawlowski, obviously. But, number 3, Melanie Gibb. Melanie Gibb will testify regarding her knowledge as to preparing a people, Melanie's involvement with preparing a people, Miss Gibb's conversations with Melanie regarding an attempt on Brandon's life, Melanie's beliefs, Melanie's travel to Hawaii in October to spend time with Lori Vallow Daybell, all other aspects of the case to which she has direct knowledge. Now, right there, in October, Melanie traveled to Hawaii to spend time with Lori Vallow? Interesting, because what we know, Lori was not in Hawaii in October of 2019, unless they're talking about a different date, because remember, the search warrant was served on the 26th of November, the police returned on the 27th, and Lori wasn't there, and the next thing we know is that Lori and Chad flew out of California to Hawaii on December 1st. So what is that? So that could be a different year, or perhaps Lori and Chad were in Hawaii sooner than we think. So there's so much coming with this case. This information comes to us from Justin Lum of Fox 10 News. All of his links will be in the description, so you can follow him. Him and Nate Eaton, the second anything happens, they're all over it. So please follow him on Twitter. Give Fox 10 News a shout, because they're doing some amazing jobs. So what we have to do is we have to watch for this case. We're going to be watching for July 1st? July 1st, yes. For July 1st coming up for this hearing, see what happens, see if it gets delayed, see if it gets sealed or closed, because I think some of this information could directly affect the criminal case that's going on. That's not about Brandon, but that's about Chad and Lori. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens there. Custody hearings are nasty and they're never fun, and they generally end up hurting the children more than anyone. But after Melanie's statement regarding JJ and Tylee, bring it, Brandon. If you need any help, you let me know. So that's what's going on right now. I need to sign off because I have so much going on, and who knows when the next breaking news is going to pop. But as soon as it does, I'll be right back here with you. Thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.